Hi everyone, this is Dimpy Sharma, Marketing Manager at Global Solution and Compliance Private Limited. In today's video, we are diving into a topic that directly impacts what we buy and trust every day. That is BIS certification and the ISI mark. If you have ever wondered how to ensure the quality and safety of products, this video is definitely for you. So in this video, we'll cover the topics: what is BIS, why is BIS certification necessary for e-commerce, and what documents are required for BIS certification. So let's get started. What is BIS? The Bureau of Indian Standards is India's national body responsible for certifying product quality and safety. Established in 1986, BIS operates under the Ministry of Consumer Affairs. Its primary role is to ensure that manufacturers and importers comply with Indian standards for quality, safety, and reliability. In simple terms, BIS certification acts like a seal of approval. It guarantees that a product is safe to use and meets quality standards. Why is BIS certification necessary for e-commerce? Have you ever purchased an electrical appliance, footwear, or construction material and wondered, can I trust this product? That's where BIS certification comes in. So here we have discussed some points about e-commerce. In today's digital era, e-commerce platforms are flooded with thousands of product listings, and customers often rely solely on brand reputations, product descriptions, and ratings to make decisions. This makes quality assurance more important than ever. Consumer trust. Online shoppers can't physically inspect products. The ISI mark provides assistance that the product meets Indian quality and safety standards. Legal compliance. Several product categories sold online in India, like electronic, kitchen appliances, and toys, are mandatorily required to be BIS certified. Selling non-certified products can lead to penalties or a ban from major platforms like Amazon or Flipkart. Reduced return rates. Certified products are less likely to be defective, which means fewer returns, refunds, or complaints, helping sellers maintain a good reputation and customer retention. Competitive advantage. Among thousands of sellers, BIS certification sets your brand apart by proving your commitment to quality and safety, a major selling point in today's competitive e-commerce environment. Global acceptance. BIS certification can also act as a stepping stone for Indian sellers planning to export or sell on global marketplace, as it reflects international standards of product reliability. Now let's talk about the documents required for BIS certification. First, location map. Second, plant layout. Third, list of machinery. Fourth, list of testing equipment. Fifth, list of raw materials. Sixth, brand details. Seventh, plant address proof. Eighth, GST certificate. Ninth, MSME certificate. 10, QCI document, that is your Aadhaar card and educational degree. 11th, process flow chart, and 12th, PAN card of business owners. So there you have it. Everything you need to know about BIS certification and the ISI mark. It's more than just a mark on a product. It's a symbol of safety, quality, and trust. Next time you shop for electrical appliances, footwear, or construction materials, whether online or offline, make sure to look for the ISI mark. It's your assurance of a quality product. As the leading consultancy in India since 1997, Global Solutions specializes in BIS license facilitation for both Indian and foreign manufacturers. With over 1,000 plus clients served, we offer end-to-end solutions from setting up in-house laboratories to obtaining licenses and managing post-compliance requirements. We are committed to providing a comprehensive, hassle-free experience all under one roof. For more queries, reach us out via the contact number or email ID displayed on your screen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.